Kachin for Beginners, Lesson 1, Alphabets. A, E, I, O, U, I, Ao, O, Oi, Ba, Ja, Da, Ka, Kya, Ha, Ja, Ka, Kya, Kha, Kya, La, Ma, Na, Nga, Nya, Pa, Pa, Pya, Ra, Sa, Sha, Ta, Za, Ta, Wa, Ya, Za. So there are altogether 40 alphabets. Thank you. Jeju Kabasai.